ENC 1304 G19 TTI. Isa sa mga budget Glock natin. So nakalagay ito sa budget meal folder. Naka metal slide, polymer lower frame, may under rail na rin for attachment with TTI markings. And then firing mode niya is semi-auto. So ayan, sa grip niya may Glock markings din. And magazine capacity is around 20 rounds. Okay, so test natin. By the way, shoutout kay Boss B. Corona check. Firing. Ayan, 313, 307. For more details, PM lang kayo sa page natin guys at Mavs Hobby Shop. Thank you!